Even also, big problem issue is that ki people take decision, people judge everything after looking the face. How a book can't be judged by its cover? Never ever. We should get marriage, we should right now create awareness among the family people कि never ever judge any girls and boy after looking the face. Problem is create here, ladies and gentlemen.
You know what, sister? In this time, boys are some handsome, but they want a hoor pari. Why? You only want the label.
काला है वो लेकिन फिर भी वो चाहेगा
होर परी मिले.
होर परी मिले.
Welcome back on English by Hafiz.
Podcast on beauty versus knowledge.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Once again, I welcome today's class. Today activity based on questioning answering. I thought that, I realized that, I felt that question answer, this is the single tool way which can polish, which can actually utilize more our mind. This is the question and answer. We should understand important value of question answer. Because if you are practicing questioning and answering, really, you can make brilliant your mind. You can utilize, you can polish especially your mind. You can use like a rubber your mind. So how you can increase your thought, your mind, your mentality? This is the question and answer. This is the best capsule. So really we should know that this is very important. And today I question one particular topic point. This is the point of exactly beauty and versus knowledge. This is the debate point. I ask you some question. There is a one highlighted question. Really, that is so useful question. Everybody must know that ki 100%, 90% people, they have misconception. They are actually misunderstanding about this point, this question. People actually, they are choosing wrong way. Because my question is that, if I am talking about the beauty, when the number come to get marriage, to engage the marriage, whenever boy family, boy, they are going to get marriage. So the things they want, they see, ki 100%, 90% people, they see only face of the girls. It's mean that after looking the face of the girls, they take decision. Girls is good or bad, girls is educated or talented. So each and everything, how can we judge? How can we analysis? How can we explore? After looking the face, people, most of the people, they are taking their decision, they are choosing their partner after looking the face. I think that which is absolutely wrong. Because I have point here. If you are short, suppose, if you are tall, so here you have not any kind of matter. This one cannot actually tell your beauty, your skill, your knowledge. No, never ever. I saw many people, they are very short, they are very thin, but they have amazing kind of sharp mind. They are topper of their school and colleges. I saw many tall people, many beautiful people, smart people. They have personality, they have body language, they have hair, everything. But they have lack of the understanding, and also they have reduction of the skill, talent. Really, they are not understanding. Their mind is so dull, monotonous, prosaic. These kind of people we are looking. But in our society, in our country, people actually, they are going to get married after looking the face of the girls, after looking the personality of the girls. They have not any kind of mean to check out their knowledge, behavior, character, even also how is the character, behavior, skill, talent, personality. They are not looking. This is the question. So my question is that from the both side, really that is very vital question. That why today's session I would like to mention single question, which is connecting to our society, our family or matter. I saw many people, they got married after looking the face. After 1 week, 2 weeks, they actually faced lots of problem. Girls, they are not good. Boys, they are not good, right? Men, their character are not good. Their behavior are not good. Even also their way of talking are not good. They have not any kind of manner. They have not any kind of good manner. They have not humanity, brotherhood. They don't know how to respect, how to talk, how to elder. They have not. Then problems start coming. Because face, this is nothing. If God has bestowed you a face, yeah, small, yeah, short, yeah, big, this one doesn't matter. Right. So my question is that from the first Roha, why are people, they are getting married after looking the face? It should be that the people, they should get married after looking the quality, manner, character, skill, talent of the girls. They should take decision. So people are not promoting why here. Why? Please give me answer. How do you see?
In this time, everybody saw the beauty. I think it's very bad and pernicious. It's not your good things to see the face. If you are go to searching the relation for your daughter, for your son, so firstly you saw how is decent these girls and boys, and I think if you are saw the beauty are temporary. You saw the beauty and doing a marriage to each other, and then after 1 week, 2 weeks, they're facing a lot of problem. They haven't any manner to talk to each other. They haven't any respect to both, and they are not manner to any brotherhood, and they haven't given a respect to the elder and mother and father. So I think it's very bad. If you are get married, so firstly you saw how is manner.
I think that size and length of the people, yeah, women and man doesn't matter.
Yes, sir.
Size always has personality, because everybody has same things, right? Problem is that create. Even also, the problem issue is that people take decision, people judge everything after looking the face. How? A book can't be judged by its cover. Never ever. But people, they have misunderstanding, misconception. People, they underestimate. Okay, Patma, I would like to see from your side. How do you see? Why are people actually, they are getting married after looking the face?
Sir, beauty is not everything. Beauty is temporary things, and sometimes beauty is matter, but always not beauty matter. This is misconception. People look beautiful girl, boys. This is misconception. Every one person can look not beauty. They can look knowledge, and how can teach every one person, and how can take care any one person. This is important. Beauty is not everything. I think that beauty is a temporary thing. So beauty, knowledge is better than beauty. I think that every one person have good manner and knowledge and respect any one person. But beauty is important, but knowledge is better than beauty.
Yeah, I think that we should get marriage. Yeah, we should create awareness among the family people. Ki never ever judge any girls and boy after looking the face. Problem is create here, ladies and gentlemen. This is the big problem and fake. This is actually one kind of filter where people stuck. फिल्टर में अगर फोटो लगा दिया जाएगा, लगा के दिखा दिया जाएगा, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, आप उस पर मैरिज कर लोगे, नाउ यू गॉट. So this is the real actually influencer one kind of. This is the fake. We should try to understand. होना तो ये चाहिए था कि we should get marriage only black girl या black boy. Where we have काले होते हैं, अल्लाह के क्या होते हैं, प्यारे होते हैं. See, we should care, we should notice while getting married, या while engaging marriage, या while searching the marriage, कि how is character of the boy या girl, how is the manner, behavior, how is knowledge, how is way of talking, how is the background of the girls, how is the study background, how is the, we should find out in the school में जाके, how is the background, how is study background, how is the behavior, how is the character. This kind of beauty if we take, we choose. We should reject face, because 100% people, they get confused. They क्या करते हैं, they stuck when they are going to take decision after looking the face. This is the big issue of. Even I saw many girls, they are not beautiful height, even also they have not wonderful right personality, but they have sharp mind. If you choose that girl, really that girl that boy can change your personality. That can create outcry in your life. That can tremble, shock you. That can make your house beautiful. That girl, that boy actually made your house so beautiful, just like very wow. If you have any kind of daughter, if you get any kind of son and daughter in that house, your generation बदल सकती है. Change your generation. Why? Because you and your partner, really, they are skillful, they are talented, they are perfect. So always we should choose educated, mannerful, characterful, and talented, perficacious, sagacious, brilliant, intellectual partner and person. Then we can enjoy, we can make more brilliant. We should never ever stuck in the jal of net of the beauty. Otherwise, we shall have to face problem. We shall have to take duty. We shall have to fighting. We shall have to right now. Lots of problem we shall have to face here. The people start, right? Look. अच्छी एकदम झूठ के right, my wife is so beautiful, so lengthy, but they have nothing themselves. She has nothing herself inside. She don't know how to cook, how to respect. Even also sometimes matter is create that कि बहुत अच्छी थी, कहीं और निकल गई.
Sir, this is
Right.
a problem.
This is the problem. Would you like to say something? So how can we create awareness? How can we change the mentality of people? Boys and girls. This is the question. Can you change mentality? By your points. Joe, you can you change? How can we change? How can you create awareness among people? Please always choose and get marriage after looking the character, after looking the knowledge, skill, talent, not the face, not the size. But people, they are noticing two things. There is one size and second is their face. Which is, I think that absolutely wrong, because God ने आपको दिया, किसी को छोटा बनाया, किसी को लंबा बना दिया, इसमें what problem? लेकिन knowledge, that is, जो छुपी अंदर क्वालिटी होती है उसको हम देख ही नहीं पाते, जज नहीं कर पाते, और क्वालिटी जहां छुपी रहती वहां आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा. जो लोग खराब लगेंगे, जो लोग आपको छोटे लगेंगे, जो लोग आपको काले लगेंगे, वहीं गॉड ने क्या किया भाई, कुछ क्वालिटी, कुछ क्या है, स्किल रखी है. अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, sir.
If you want to saw beauty, so saw inner beauty, not outer beauty.
Yeah.
Because if you go for marriage, so firstly you know and you know what's the background of this person, how is more educated, how is more decent, how is more loyal, and how is more mannerable. Because if you are doing a marriage and after some time they elope to another person, so what about do?
Yeah.
You cannot do anything about after marriage. But before marriage, it's your responsibility to check, to search the whose type of person in the society, to talk the society person, to to go to school and ask the question to everybody, how is she student and how is he student. So I think knowledge is more important. If you haven't knowledge, so how can you survive with your life partner? If your life partner is very beautiful, very handsome, so beauty is something. And if you lost beauty, you lost something. But if you lost knowledge, you lost everything.
Yeah, wonderful, wonderful. All right, Fatma, would you like?
I think that we should marry our label, because without label sometimes face lot of problem, because if boys is very handsome and girl is not beautiful, then face lot of problem. I saw many relationship when boys is very handsome and girl is not beautiful, fight each other, and many persons say that your wife is not good and how can live with her. And sometimes boys family suicide girls. This is big problem. I saw many person. This problem is very big. So I want to say that we should marry our label.
All right.
You know what, sister? In this time, boys are some handsome, but they want a hoor pari. Why? You only want label.
काला है वो, लेकिन फिर भी वो चाहेगा
होर परी मिले.
और परी मिले. This is problem.
this is, sir, this is misconception. Therefore, I want to say that this is everyone boys misconception. I say that we should marriage our label.
If you are black, you should go for black.
Yes, sir. My husband is black because if my husband is fair color, I am black. He always cheat me
It doesn't
and
match.
he find a beautiful girl. If my husband, my label, love to me and I
so
love her.
financially, physically, even color wise and caste wise, even also educational wise, we should match our label. Then we should get marriage.
Yes, sir.
If we are black, we say, oh, I will get married. Fair and white girl. Why are you searching how you see yourself? I saw many family, they have black women, they have black daughter and son, but they want bahu, very bahu. They
No, sir,
want bahu and hoor.
This is wrong.
This is wrong.
When person
Okay,
find
one more question I want to ask you here is that some people they reject many girls after looking the face. If girls face something actually dark, now they reject. So that is good or bad? I think that God ने वो color दिया है, तो उसकी क्या कमी है उसमें?
No,
अगर
sir.
size-
Therefore, I say that we should marriage our label. This is equal to each other.
Also, I would like to say.
Yes, sister, you say a very fantastic and amazing lines, but girls are doing cooperate with if I am fair, so I choose fair boys. But if only girls do, but the boys, if they're black, so want very.
Yeah, there is also one more extra point, which is actually arising here. Sometimes parents, they are giving full freedom to the boy. You can choose your partner according to your choice. But sometimes for parents, they are not giving freedom to the girls.
So I think it's very bad because our religion is given a permission to take the
Girls
decision.
also, they
also
should
girls and
have
boys.
power to choose according, right? But sometimes family कहते नहीं तुमको उससे करना ही है. Such kind of
No, sir. This is wrong.
this is not. और लड़का चूज करेगा नहीं मुझको ये पसंद है.
No, sir. Freedom.
लड़का लड़कियों को जाके देखता है बहुत होना चाहिए ना.
Freedom give boys. Girls are boys.
All right.
Yes.
So please always get choose your partner,
Choose your partner.
educated, talented, characterful, talented, skillful, perspicacious, sagacious, brilliant, intelligent. Always reject to get married. Black or white. Never ever get married. After looking the face. Always choose. Black girl. Black boy. Always choose small and middle person. Never ever fall in. Never ever stuck. Never ever have. Misunderstanding. Only white people. White girls. White boy. They are good.
They are good.
No. Actually, matter is that opposite.
Opposite.
So please care
So please care.
and make your partner educated, talented. Then you can enjoy
Then you can enjoy
in your life.
In your
even
life.
also, this marriage can change your generation, your life. Then we can get
You can get
in our family APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We can see Kalpana Chawla. We can get Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. We can get scientists in our family. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. If you have any kind of informative things, please support, watch and like, share, comment this video. Whatever your opinion, whatever your question actually.
So send the comment.
So please write in the comment box. I will answer whatever, because it might be that here I try to create some kind of awareness among the family and people. What kind of problem actually we are facing, ground level, yeah, village level. So we share here. If you have also your opinion, you can give in the comment box. Really, by this way we can improve, we can change people mentality, because public speaking, this is an amazing kind of magician. This is one kind of art which can actually develop, which can actually write and change people mentality. That is why vital. So thank you for watching this video.